Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing the ways to fix your WhatsApp business account ban solution. Now if you think your account was banned by mistake, all you have to do is just contact the support team. So basically you'll have to email or request a review in the app itself and they'll look into your case. So when you request a review in the app, you'll be promoted to enter a 6-digit registration code sent to you via SMS. All you have to do is just enter in that, and after that your account will be recovered. Apart from it, if you're unable to do any sort of thing, then all you can do is wait for at least 24 to 48 hours. You might be able to fix the issue. You can also sometimes restart your device and try login into your WhatsApp account one more time, and that might be able to fix the issue. Apart from it, contacting the support team is one of the best solution you could ever find. So in this way you can fix your WhatsApp business account ban solution. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.